Yeah, it's the one. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. Got me tied down on the way to the beach. 4 bad chicks in the middle of the street. Oh, right up in the yard.
Okay, you guys, it's Easter weekend, and all we did this week really is just finish the trim down here. That's all we did in the house this week, just finish the trim, and I'll show you a picture of Ishmael doing that because I did take pictures of him doing this trim. So I want my house to look very royal, and I'm gonna start buying the lights for up here. And I got my chandelier. You already know I got that for Mother's Day, so I gotta paint this out, and then I'm just gonna continue to finish my trim. And then when we go in here, I'm gonna open this up so the light can bounce back and forth, so the kitchen can be much lighter than what it is now. So that's what we did this week. We really didn't do too much because it's Easter, and I went to the store with my sister and stuff like that, you guys. So I'm finna get ready to prep my food so I can cook. Happy Easter, you guys. And yeah, I'll see you next Sunday. Be blessed. Have a great one. If you want to know how Ishmael did this trim, I did a video on it when he did the trim of my bedroom. So that's all we're doing really, is just completing the trim in the house. We're gonna do this. We did this side, and we're gonna do this side, and this is how the other side used to look. Matter of fact, we cut that trim to look like this, to look like that. We cut the trim off that to look like that molding, but this molding over here is small. It's like a few inches small, so we had to go back to Lowe's and get this again, and then we just cut that piece that we cut for that down, if you get my drift. So it was too short, so we had to cut. We had enough to do this. So yeah, I gotta caulk this and paint it, which I will not be doing today because Easter. And I didn't even think about caulking and painting it this week because I was out with my sister getting food for Easter and doing things like that. So as I stated once again, I will see you guys next Sunday. Be blessed. Have a happy Easter if you do things for Easter. So yeah, bye you guys.
One thing led to the next, and she got her hands